Hello everyone, myself Chaitali Chaudhary, working as a lecturer in Computer Engineering Department from Government Polytechnic Nagpur. I am here presenting my second assignment, which is a video lecture with respect to Faculty Development Program on Environment and Sustainability. This is a 4-week international FDP organized by D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, Pune. Today my subject is Role of Artificial Intelligence in Waste Management. Now what is e-waste? Electronic waste or e-waste describes discarded electrical or electronic devices, used electronics which are destined for refurbishment, reuse, resale, salvage, recycling through material recovery or disposal are all considered e-waste. TV, computer monitors, printers, scanners, keyboards, cables, circuit boards, these are all example of e-waste. Now why there is a requirement of e-waste management? When improperly disposed of, the heavy metals, plastics and glass in e-waste can pollute the air or seep into waterways. Recycling e-waste can significantly decrease the demand for mining heavy metals and reduce the greenhouse gas emissions. As far as e-waste is concerned, we all need to take care. The recycling of electronic waste protects the health of people and the environment. Incorrect disposal of electronic waste causes environmental pollution which can be harmful to human health. Now what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is the branch of computer science that emphasizes the development of intelligence machines thinking and working like humans. For example, speech recognition, problem solving, learning and planning. Now this is a diagrammatic view through which I just want to explain how the artificial intelligence is used for waste management. Now very first step, AI reads the tag to determine the type of garbage and sends it to the main server for analysis. Then the main server compares the various garbage categories and pick an appropriate disposal or recycling method. Then safe disposal or clean recycling of the garbage is carried out. Now what is the role of AI in e-waste management? Intelligent trash can, which is equipped with AI programs and IoT sensors, is another revolutionary concept in waste management sector. The sensors on these trash cans measure the waste levels of the garbage thrown inside them and send this data via intermediate servers to the main disposal system for processing. The system categorizes the data into the type of garbage, the quantity of each type of garbage and the respective waste disposal method. This entire system can also refine itself over time by studying historical records to improve its efficiency. So here I conclude that the current waste management systems are unable to efficiently deal with the tons of garbage that are generated every day. Automating the processes of garbage sorting and disposal by switching to artificial intelligence for smart recycling and waste management is expected to bring in better disposal methods to recycle sustainably. Thank you.